Hi, this is Jody Tate, Blue Door Group Real Estate. I'm with Joe Miller, J. Michael Homes, and Joe is going to talk to us about the stage of construction we're at out here at 134 Kanah Court. As you can see, obviously, framing has been completed and the roof is on. So Joe, tell us what's going on inside and what's coming next.
So right now we're in the process of getting all the heating and air in, plumbing in, and then electrical will start next week. We're also doing a few touch-ups on the exterior for the brick so we can get our driveway poured, our front porch poured. We've also added a really big deck to this house, so it really gives it some more appeal. And then probably in about 2 more weeks we'll be underway with siding and trying to wrap up a lot of the little details for this house.
Excellent. So we started this house when did the foundation start going in? Do you remember?
So
kind of roughly?
We actually completed the foundation 3 weeks ago. We done the video 2 weeks ago of the start of this process, and now 2 weeks out we are officially framed and under roof.
That's really quick. I mean, that's efficient, particularly in light of what things looked like back in 2020 and 21 where it was just chaotic.
Absolutely.
So it's nice because that's a common question people ask now is how long is it taking to get a house completed? So if all things align and inspections take place and Mother Nature cooperates,
right,
it can be kind of a back to normal sort of scenario.
Absolutely.
So all right, Joe, thank you very much. We appreciate it. And this is Jody Tate, Blue Door Group Real Estate, and Joe Miller, J. Michael Homes. Have a great weekend.